Hey everyone, good evening to all. So last class where we have stopped, anyone?
Yeah, sir.
Mm. Last class where we have stopped. Can you able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Uh, I want congratulations to Bhargavi. And Bhargavi got a opportunity as a Salesforce admin. Congratulations, Bhargavi.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations,
Congrats,
Bhargavi.
Bhargav.
To everyone.
See here. Okay. Now I will this question to him. Okay. Public, static, void, create, uh, bulk records. Okay, create bulk records. So now I will use list string new list string. Uh, unit. Okay. Now I will use one empty list. Is called account. Okay. For loop string. Yes. Now I will pass this string str to variable in the for loop. Okay, now Hemant, see, it's a scenario. Why you, if you execute right, then the data should created in this database, in the account of. So everything I have done, so you should have to mention the logic inside the for loop. So what you need to do, you need to map, you need to store this S variable in the ACC LIST. Hemant, Hemant, are you there?
Sir, I'm here only, but there is some issue in network. Can you please come again, sir?
Yeah. So what I'm trying to say, I have wrote this example. Okay. Now what you need to do, see in this list method, I, I have mentioned this data. Now I'm storing this all data in the str variable. Okay.
Yeah,
So I have created one for loop for the string. So in this str data, I'm having these are all the data. Now I'm storing the str the data in s variable. Now you need to pass this s variable in this list, in this account list, because now currently this list is empty now. This list is empty. Now you need to fulfill.
correct. Okay.
So what do you need to do?
In
And
item
also,
variant, we can do. Yeah.
yeah, you need to use best practice of bulkifying. Okay, what you need to do, you should have to uh, do this one, do this, and with the best practice. So this is what we need to do now under 140 line. So I want to create a new contacts, sorry, new accounts. These four records I should have to create. Okay. Now these four records I'm mentioning in the string and the list. Now the list data is empty. Now I want to fulfill the list. When I execute right, the four records should be created.
Sir, in variant, we can create. There is item variant.
One
As integer, we can create. That's what I'm thinking.
integer. We don't require integer because I'm mentioning the data here already. If I'm not mention the data in the sense, you can able to go to with the for loop integer.
Yeah.
Okay, simple. Here I want to create a new records. So I need to create a new instance first. New instance first. Account ACC is equal to new account.
account
Okay. After that, ACC dot name,
is
and
equal to
in the
name.
name, I should have to pass yes variable. Simple. Save.
Sir,
Okay. Now, what is the bulkifying? What is the bulkifying? See here, bulkifying means if I insert the for loop, if I insert the DML inside the for loop, okay. So what will happen here? What will happen? It will create only 150 records. See, for example, in the if you want to create some 10,000 records or 5,000 records or 50,000 records. So in this case, if you use the DML inside the for loop, right, it will create only 150 records. That's it. And if you want to insert 5,000 also, it will throw the governor limits. It will hit the governor limits and it will not execute the properly and it will throw the error. If you use inside the for loop DML operation. So what's the bulkifying exactly? How we need to do? How we need to do a bulkifying? So simple, you should have to remove DML operation inside the for loop. Okay, inside the for loop. Then you need to insert outside the for loop. Outside the for loop. Okay,
after the
outside the for loop. And you need to do one extra thing here. Extra thing. What extra thing here? Now you need to fulfill this list. You need to fulfill this list method. Okay. So now it's what's throwing the error variable does not exist means whatever you have created this data, right? This variable you have created inside the for loop only means the ACC it will work in inside the for loop only. It will not work in outside the for loop. That's why it's throwing the error. Now what we need to do? We need to store this ACC in ACC LAST.
account list.
So yes,
Sir,
yeah. Punit, hello. Punit, you're telling something? Hello, Punit, you're telling something?
No, sir, he was repeating what you are telling. He was repeating
Okay,
that.
okay. So now what we need to do? We need to store this ACC in
okay, sir.
ACC LIST.
ACC list.
Yeah. Dot add like this. Now you need to copy and paste it here in outside the for loop. Save. Now we have fulfilled this one. Now we have fulfilled. After this, you can able to do a system.debug account records created successfully. Okay. Now you can able to call this SSLHT in print. Save. So this is a avoid the governor avoid the governor limits. Okay, it's a bulkifying. It's a safe bulkifying code. If you use the DML operation instead of for loop, right, then it will not create more than 150. It will not create more than 150 records. If you want 5,000, 10,000 means we should have to go through with the outside the for loop only. Did you got everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If I use this method execute highlighted and debug only, you can able to see the data is created. If you go back and click the account, the 4 records created. Clear, guys? Okay.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
simple question. This question is for Pune. else exam. Okay. Let's say string name. String name. If name equals to Raghu, that's okay. Else if name equals to Satish, okay, save. Save this one. Okay. So now, if I print this one, if I print, what will happen? For example, Raghu. Okay. If I execute highlighted, okay, okay. I should have to mention it. Paste. Okay. Debug only. Then it's going. Then it will give to us this output. This output. Are you getting Punit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what you need to do here, if Raghu, if I see here, if I execute for Raghu, right, you should have to show Raghu's salary is 50,000. Raghu's salary is 50,000. Okay. If if the salary below 50,000, it should have to show Raghu is not eligible for this offer. If the salary is more than 50,000, it should have to show Raghu is eligible for this offer. Clear the requirement?
Um, I didn't get you, sir, actually. I mean, where we have to pass if the salary is greater than 50,000?
If the salary is greater than 50,000, if I mention here Raghu, okay, if I mention here Raghu, if the salary is 50,000, okay, if the salary is 50,000, then you should have to show Raghu is eligible for this offer. If the salary is less than 50,000, you should have to throw the message Raghu is not eligible for this offer.
Okay, okay. If,
Getting? Puneet?
sir, inside name is equal to Raghu,
Uh-huh.
we have to insert one more if else, sir, like nested if.
Okay.
Then their account dot annual revenue rate, sir, greater than 50,000.
Okay. So in this case, I should have to create one variable, right? correct? Salary greater than 50,000.
Decimal salary. But how will we get to know Raghu's salary, sir?
See,
Will
if
it be
I
in
see this string name, correct? If I mention here Raghu,
yes, sir.
automatically it will show to us.
Yes, sir. First if will be what to say executed, sir.
So it is throwing the error to us. Okay, decimal. Decimal.
No, no, no.
Okay. Now, so here Raghu salary is showing, right? Now here what I need to
Yes, sir.
pass the data? Another data type what I need to pass here?
Sal. Uh,
Puneet, what are you doing, man?
sal.
Can I able to do like this?
Hello,
Yeah, hello?
sir. If condition is if the salary is greater than 50,000, or again we have to mention else, sir.
Which one?
Okay, like this, sir. The name is Raghu and salary is greater than and salary.
Okay, let's wait. I will remove this one. Okay. Raghu, after what I need to do here?
And
And
ampersand
okay.
salary is greater than
Salary greater than 50,000. Okay.
hello,
Hello.
hello.
Yeah, tell me, tell me.
Sir, we have to print, sir. We have to print the message system.debug.
Okay.
Your name is Raghu and salary is greater than 50,000.
So like this I will mention. Okay.
Is it wrong, sir? What's the second?
Can I can I do now?
If the salary is greater than 50,000, and the other condition, sir?
Okay. If I do this,
Yes,
Sati, Raghu, and salary, if I mention here, what you have mentioned? greater than greater than 50,000, right? If I mention here 45,000, okay, 45,000, then if I execute highlighted, let's check the error. Just check. It will show any kind of message to us. Empty. What I need to do now?
We have to remove the condition, sir. Else if
This one.
name.
No, I want this. See, if it is Satish,
Okay.
okay, Satish salary
Uh.
less than is equal to 50,000. Okay,
Okay.
that happens.
We have to mention else, sir. After that, else. In else, we have to.
Okay, just wait. Else, okay, can I mention like this? Save.
If
So
else
showing
if,
error.
then
Else,
else should be after else if, right, sir?
what?
Hello.
You can able to hear me, right?
Else condition should be after else if, right?
Okay. Now, again, if I use else if, sorry, again, if can I able to use like this? Else, no record found. Okay. Now, when I execute 45,000, if I click execute highlighted, debug only. So I'm getting the error. Your name is Raghu, and in your database, you are not eligible. Okay. It's giving correct value. If I mention here 55,000, execute highlighted, execute highlighted, debug only. Your name is Raghu in our database. Like it's showing the correct one. It's showing the correct one. Now, if I execute this one, Satish, okay, execute highlighted, debug only. Satish, no record found. Satish, no record found to us. Then here, why I'm getting this one? Because I'm searching this one, right? Then why I'm getting the first one? You should have to get the second one, right? So in this case, Raghu, I will run both. Debug only. Your name is Dugu database. Your name is Dugu database. Database. It's showing a 2 to us.
Sir,
Are you practicing right? Hemant, are you also?
Yes, sir.
sir, the print statement of else is mentioned outside the braces, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, your screen is not
Yeah. Which one?
the else statement, sir. Second,
Okay. Okay. You're telling like this. Telling like this.
earlier,
Huh?
sir, put the braces in 163, sir. Here in 167, the system.debug is mentioned outside the braces of else, sir. That is what I am trying to tell.
Okay. If I mention here inside, okay. I should have to mention this one also inside, correct?
That,
Okay. It's a correct
that's
one.
inside. It inside.
See? Now it's correct. Debug only. Again showing to us like this.
That is no record for. Sir, can we mention like if else if I don't know about this, sir. And if else if and else, can we use if else if and else?
If else. Can you like this? If else again, if else.
Mm, else if else if.
Okay.
I don't know, sir.
Okay. Hemant.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
Yeah. So in this case, what we need to do?
Sir, even I'm figuring out, even I'm thinking.
Bhargavi. Guys, simple guys. We don't want this one. Save it. Whenever if you run right, whenever if you run, it will show a database, no record form. For example, Satish, okay. If I want to search for the Raghu, If I execute highlighted, if I click the debug only, it will show you your name is Raghu in our database. If I mention here, 45,000, execute highlighted, debug only, then it will show a no Satish, no record found. Clear, guys? Everyone? Hemant, Puneet, Daya, Hemant, Puneet, Daya, Bhargavi, understood?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
And simple, it says first, Daya. Create contact record. Okay. Now, account ACC equal to new account. ACC dot name is equal to text. Okay. Insert ACC. Now, contact CON equals to new contact. CON dot last name is equal to, okay. Insert CO. Okay. So what's the requirement here? Whenever I created a account, then the child record should create automatically. Whenever I create a account, right? If, for example, Daya is a account, then here is a, in the contact, it should have to link. The contact should have to link automatically. So here, what I need to pass the value exactly in this contact, what I need to pass, and the name should be last name should be. I don't want to hard code. Whatever the account name is there, right? It should come automatically here. So here, what I need to pass. Okay. Here, what I need to pass, and here, what I need to pass. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. String we have to.
Okay, just tell me. In the variable ACC is there, right? Name.
Yeah.
In the name,
Yeah.
what I'm storing the text, right?
Test. Yes.
Okay. So in the last name, what I need to what then here what I need to pass here?
Test.
the ACC dot
Yes. ID.
name. The name ACC dot name means what I'm mentioning the name, it will be passing here the name. Now here I need to pass the ID. How? Con dot
Account ID.
account ID is equal to,
ACC.ID.
okay, very good. Got it. Save. C7. Now if I execute this one, highlight it, go back, history one, along with that, that is created. Clear?
Yes, yes.
This is how we can able to pass the data. Okay. Guys, please practice, guys. So, and also I have given the questions, right? Practice questions, practice notes. Are you practicing? Uh, Here I have given to you. Which is that? This one. This one. Why I'm giving these scenarios, because you should have to perfect the basic things. That's why I'm not going to forward. We need to cover a lot of topics. If you practice this at least 10, I'm giving you only the 10 questions only. If you practice this right, then you can able to confidence, like whatever the simple scenario you're getting, you can able to crack very easily in the interview also, or whenever if I ask the question, you can able to give the answer like this. Guys, are you getting?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, yes.
See, I'm not going any forward. Still I am there. Still I am teaching you the basic things only. We should have to go. We should have to learn a lot of topics. In these 10 questions, I will ask you tomorrow. You should have to do in live while you sharing the screen. While you're sharing the screen, you should have to do the scenario. Which scenario I want, I will tell. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye, sir.